What is happening, crypto fam? Get ready to have your minds blown because the news cycle is moving at warp speed, and we've got the absolute hottest updates hitting your screens right now. This is Bitcoin Bulletin, and if you're not plugged in, you're missing out on the future. We're diving headfirst into a world where predictions are getting wilder, companies are hitting stratospheric growth, and new players are making waves that could reshape the entire landscape. You don't want to miss a single second of this. We've got the inside scoop on a major political figure making bold statements about digital currency, and that's just the start. We're also talking about a mining powerhouse that's absolutely crushing it by diversifying into cutting-edge tech, showing massive growth and surprising everyone. This is a story about innovation and massive returns, and you'll want to hear all the details. Then, we're taking a deep dive into whether a highly ambitious long-term price target is actually achievable. Is it just hype, or is there real substance behind these massive projections? We're breaking it all down. And finally, we've got a surprising new contender that's capturing the attention of investors looking for the next big thing. Could this be the alternative everyone's talking about? Stay locked in, because this is the information you need to stay ahead of the curve. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. A political figure's bold Bitcoin prediction. In a move that's sending ripples through the financial world, a prominent political figure has stepped into the spotlight to share their electrifying vision for Bitcoin's future. Speaking at a major international conference, this influential voice not only declared unwavering support for the digital currency, but also forged a strong connection with its dedicated community. The sentiment was clear: a deep appreciation for the grassroots backing that has propelled this movement forward. This figure highlighted how the community's embrace was unlike anything they had witnessed before, suggesting a profound belief in the people driving this innovation. But the real showstopper? A jaw-dropping price prediction that has everyone talking. We're not just talking about incremental gains, we're talking about a seismic shift, a forecast that could redefine value as we know it. This bold statement comes at a time when Bitcoin itself has been on an impressive run, achieving new all-time highs, fueled by a combination of evolving regulatory landscapes and increasing institutional interest. The narrative is building, and this endorsement adds a significant layer of political and public validation to the digital asset's trajectory. It's a powerful signal that the conversation around Bitcoin is moving beyond niche circles and into the highest echelons of global influence. But that's just the beginning of our deep dive. Stick around, because we're about to shift gears and explore how a different kind of powerhouse is making massive strides. Bitcoin mining giant's AI-fueled surge. Get ready to witness a remarkable turnaround story in the world of digital asset mining, as one company is not just surviving, but thriving by strategically pivoting into artificial intelligence. This mining star has reported absolutely explosive financial results, showcasing a staggering year-over-year revenue increase and a net income that has surpassed all expectations. The driving force behind this meteoric rise: a dual strategy that leverages its core Bitcoin mining operations while aggressively expanding into the booming AI cloud services sector. In the latest quarter alone, their Bitcoin mining division generated a substantial portion of their revenue, mining a significant amount of BTC and even outperforming a major rival in terms of coins mined. Looking ahead, their projections for annual revenue from mining are nothing short of phenomenal, painting a picture of dominance powered by an ever-increasing hash rate. But the real game-changer here is their AI division. This company has dramatically expanded its GPU fleet, forging a key partnership with a leading technology firm, securing access to the latest cutting-edge hardware. They've also managed to secure substantial non-dilutive financing, specifically earmarked for acquiring more advanced GPUs, a move that underscores their commitment to scaling AI infrastructure rapidly. This strategic diversification has not gone unnoticed by the market. The company's shares have seen an unbelievable surge over the past few months, climbing hundreds of percent and catapulting its market capitalization to billions. This isn't just about mining anymore. It's about becoming a major player in the AI infrastructure space, building state-of-the-art data centers, and positioning itself for massive growth in a sector that is reshaping the global economy. It's a masterclass in adapting and capitalizing on new technological frontiers. Now that we've seen how one company is innovating for massive growth, let's turn our attention to the future of Bitcoin itself. Bitcoin's ambitious 2030 price target, hype or reality? Could Bitcoin really reach a staggering $1.5 million by the year 2030? This isn't just a casual question. It's the core of a compelling investment thesis that's capturing the attention of analysts and investors worldwide. We're diving deep into the fundamentals, the market dynamics, and the expert opinions that support such an audacious prediction. For years, Bitcoin has been lauded for its potential as a store of value and a hedge against inflation, often compared to digital gold. However, reaching the million-dollar mark, let alone $1.5 million, would represent an exponential leap from its current valuations. What factors could possibly drive such unprecedented growth? We'll explore the arguments centered around increasing institutional adoption, the potential for wider global acceptance as a medium of exchange, and the impact of a naturally deflationary supply cap. Analysts are scrutinizing the network's adoption rates, the development of Layer 2 solutions that enhance scalability, and the evolving regulatory frameworks that could either unlock or restrict its potential. The narrative suggests that as more capital flows into Bitcoin, and as its scarcity becomes even more pronounced, its value could skyrocket. But is this vision grounded in solid economic principles, or is it simply speculative optimism? We'll dissect the various models and predictions, looking at the projected adoption curves and the potential impact of macroeconomic trends. The debate is fierce, with some experts remaining cautious about the volatility and regulatory hurdles, while others are convinced that Bitcoin's unique properties position it for hypergrowth. Understanding this target isn't just about the number. It's about grasping the underlying potential of decentralized finance and digital scarcity in the coming decade. This is a critical conversation for anyone looking to understand the long-term prospects of this revolutionary asset. As we analyze these massive projections, a new player is emerging that's catching the eye of investors looking for different kinds of opportunities. The rise of a Bitcoin alternative, MAGACOIN Finance. In a market often dominated by Bitcoin's gravitational pull, a new contender is rapidly making its mark, positioning itself as a compelling alternative and drawing significant investor attention. This Ethereum-based project, currently in its pre-sale phase, has seen rounds sell out at an astonishing pace, signaling a strong appetite for fresh opportunities in the digital asset space. The project's core appeal lies in its carefully designed tokenomics, which emphasize scarcity. This deliberate scarcity model is intended to create upward price pressure and differentiate it from larger, more established cryptocurrencies where smaller capital injections have less impact. Analysts are noting that this approach could make it particularly attractive to investors seeking high-growth potential, especially when compared to Bitcoin's multi-trillion-dollar market capitalization. The narrative surrounding this new asset extends beyond just its technicals. It's tapping into broader cultural and even political themes, which has broadened its appeal significantly. This strategic branding has helped it cut through the noise and attract a diverse range of investors, including those new to the cryptocurrency world, by weaving in relatable financial and political stories. Furthermore, the project is prioritizing legitimacy and security, underscored by a professional audit from a reputable firm. This commitment to transparency and robust infrastructure is a key differentiator in the often unpredictable presale market, building crucial trust with potential investors. As the presale nears its conclusion, market dynamics are also playing a role. With a significant amount of Ethereum set to be unlocked from staking soon, capital is expected to rotate, potentially favoring smaller, high-upside assets. This project, with its current small-cap status, is well-positioned to benefit from such liquidity shifts, potentially leading to explosive growth. Experts are highlighting its asymmetric risk-reward profile, suggesting it could serve as a valuable complement to Bitcoin within diversified portfolios, offering a different avenue for substantial returns. The momentum suggests this could be one of the standout launches of the year. And that wraps up our deep dive into these incredible stories. But before you go, let's do a quick recap of everything we covered today. All right, crypto crew, that was a whirlwind tour of the latest market movers. We heard a major political figure making an astonishing $1 million Bitcoin prediction, saw a mining company absolutely dominate with a blend of Bitcoin mining and AI growth, explored the serious debate around Bitcoin hitting $1.5 million by 2030, and watched a new alternative gain serious traction in the presale space. Don't miss out on any of these critical updates. Hit that like button if you found this valuable, subscribe for daily insights, ring the notification bell so you're always the first to know, drop a comment with your thoughts on these stories, and make sure to follow us on all our social channels for even more exclusive content. Stay informed, stay invested.